OK, and copy the second title, dish of the day, and paste. Let's see. Yes, everything is okay. Okay, and then I am adding another slider. Let's see. I'm adding another slider first. Okay, I have added two slider. Let's see our slider is working. First of all, we have to add the slider area some code. First of all, delete the slider. Let's see. Two slider I have deleted. Let's see. We have just one slider, and I am working in the one slider. Add a variable like slider and add new WP query. And add array and add post type, the ID name, post type is IDs, title is a slider, and add post per page. Like 3 slider need, that's why I'm adding 3. If you need 6 slider pages, then you have add 6. If you want to unlimited, that's you can -1 or 2. Okay, I am just want to add 3 and add order ASC and order by ID. Sorry, there is no space. Order by. Sorry, postage per page. Since we need just ally tag, there is the tag will be loop, so that's why we need the loop here. The variable and add while the variable have postage, the variable the post and add the while and while. Delete the img tag at PHP file, PHP code. The post thumbnail and add the title and add PSV tag the content. Okay, delay. Okay, let's see. If you see, our slider is okay. Our slider is okay. To slider. Since I have added two slider face, that's why there is two slider. But here is our style is broken. The quotation, two quotation here, but the quotation first and last. So let's see how to solve. First of all, you have to see many fee tag, but here is okay. If we see the CSS file, style.css, okay, here is fee and span, and there is very fee where span, no span, so we have to change, delete fee tag, span fee, but our design fee span, so let's delete the fee, just delete fee. If we see everything is okay, yes, okay. If you want to add another slider, you can add here. So already video is long, so that's why I don't need to add new slider face. Hopefully you can add the slider, and any slider you can add perfectly. Our slider add perfectly. Okay, before I am leaving, let's see our slider is responsive or not responsive. Yes, responsive, but the images, but one images, because here is mobile version slider, so we have to change the slider. Let's see, last we need the li tag and copy the while tag, while PHP code, and add here, and add while tag and just add the post thumbnail here. Just delete the IV tag and add the post thumbnail. The post thumbnail is, hopefully you know, the post thumbnail is the future image. The future images code, and title, the title is title code and the content is the editor code. Okay, but something I missed. Hopefully our slider. Okay, yes, our slider is dynamic perfectly. If you see, our slider is dynamic perfectly, and our second slider. But if we see, our second title is not dynamic, second title is static. If we see, here is the second title is the static. If we delete it, there is no second title. So how to, we have to add, just add, okay, add PHP code get post meta. There is add get the ID function and add the ID advanced custom fields ID similar. I have added the ID, the field name is the home slider ID and paste here and add boolean true. Keep in mind, where get we have to echo. There get function, every get function you have to echo. That's why get here I am echo. If we see, our second title is here, yes, and dynamic. Let's see if we search the day and I am added update and dish of the day and end. Okay, everything is okay and our slider is okay. Slider is working perfectly. Next step you will be see how to the post work. There is custom post